the grinder. Right here in the orange circle. What does that say? Ice cream? Creme brulee? Freshly made? We're going to have to go in and check it out. Aw, 100 years old. Look at all the sodas. Orange Dream, blueberry soda, sweet ginger ale. Let's go check it out. You think you've seen it all? Bacon soda. Bacon soda. And Iron Brew, Jolt, Fago. What's that? Buffalo Wing soda right next to the bacon. Pumpkin pie soda. I think I've seen them preparing samples over there.
Monster Mucus.
Ew. Kitty Piddle. Mmm. Look at that ice cream. Yum. Black cherry. Oh, copper. Always a copper.